So I equate the two z score. These two z score. So solve for the value of k. I get k is 2.898. So this baby, if their weight is less than 2.898, then they are underweight. Okay, so most of the baby, they are 2.9 to 3.3. More than 3.3, that means the baby very fat already. Okay, right. Any question? Ethan, any question? Ethan said no question. Okay. Now this question here, I think already sent you this answer here, right? So you read through the answers. We go on to a new chapter, right? The new chapter is linear programming. Now, why? Okay, no question, Ethan. Now, why I want to do linear programming? Because linear programming is easier to teach. The other one, the trigonometry, you have many formula. Not only you have many formula, then the formula, if you didn't do the homework one, you just listen to me telling you the formula, then you get scared. Ayo, so many things you don't know. So we don't start with trigonometry. Wait until the very last, then we start trigonometry. We do this one first. After this, then we do the what? Motion in a straight line. Trigonometry, wait. Okay, right. So we're going to do linear programming, right? Linear programming. Okay. Now, before we start with linear programming, where you need to find the maximum and minimum point, you don't worry, I can show you how to find the maximum minimum point using the computer. I don't have to use the ruler to draw. I can show you, right? On the way. Next week, right? Okay, right. Now, before you want to do linear programming, you have to know how to draw the lines and shape the region. This is very important. If you don't know how to draw line, don't know how to shape region, don't do linear programming. Okay, right. Lines y equals to k. Y equals to k, they are lines parallel to the x-axis. This one, this type, right? This is the line. This blue line here is parallel to the x-axis. The name for this line is y equals to a certain number. What is that number? Can you tell me what is this number? This number here?
3.
3, 3. Okay. So this one must be y equals to 3. Y equals to 3, this line. You don't say x equals to 3, You see the x-axis here, then you say parallel to x-axis. This line, the blue line is x equals to 3. No. Right? X equals to 3. Then if I say less than 3, x is less than 3. This is y equals to 3, this line. The name of this line, y equals to 3. Y less than 3 means below. If they say y greater than 3 means above this line. Right? So something like that. Okay. So now I want to show less than 3. So this is the part area less than 3. And the name is, for this part is, y is less than 3. So if I say y less than 4, so you draw the y4 line, then less than 4 below. If I say y greater than 5, you draw the y equal to 5, greater than, you shade the top. Okay or not? Can do this type of thing? I think can, because you have learned this
Chưa.
in the lower form, right? Yeah, just revision. This one is just revision. Okay, next we are going to look at lines which is like this. X equals to k. Now x equals to k, they are actually lines parallel to the y-axis. Let's say if I have this line, okay, this is the line y equals to k, right? What is the name of this line? This line is x equals to -5. So this line x equals to -5. So if I ask you, can you tell me the line x equals to 10? So you draw this line here, x equals to 10. So vertical line, x means vertical line. Vertical line parallel to the y-axis. So this line is x equals to 10, right? Now, if I want to shade the region, I say, can you shade this region? X is less than -5. Now, x is less than -5. They are lines on the less than means on the left hand side. Greater than means on the right hand side. So if I want x less than -5, then it is this part on the left hand side. Right hand side is greater than. Another thing I want to point out to you is that because there is no equal sign here, then the lines must be dotted line or the dash 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 line, right? If there's an equal sign like this, if there's equal sign, if there's an equal sign here, this one, there's an equal sign. So this line, the boundary here is full line, no dash, no dash. You've got equal sign, no dash, it's a full line. But in this case, the second case, because there is no equal sign here, so the boundary here has to be the dash 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 line. Okay, right. Next,